ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग. काल आपण बायनरीबद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन बघत होतो. यामध्ये बायनरीमध्ये आपण कसे नंबर्स तयार करायचे ते आपण बघितलेले आहेत. परत एकदा रिव्हिजन बघू. ओके, बघा आपल्याला बिट्स लक्षात ठेवायचे आहेत. बायनरीचे 4 बिट्ससाठी 8 4 2 1. ओके, आणि आपल्याला समजा 9चा इक्विव्हॅलंट आपल्याला करायचा आहे. तर काय करणार आहे आपण, या वेटची बेरीज बघायची, 9 यायला पाहिजे. 8 आणि 1 9. त्या ठिकाणी फक्त आपण काय करायचं, 1 लिहायचं. बाकी दोन्ही पोझिशनला आपण काय करायचं, 0 लिहून टाकायचं. ओके, झालं. 1 0 0 1 इज इक्विव्हॅलंट टू 9. सपोज फॉर 13 the equivalent is calculated like this. So 13 is 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 1 9 10 11 12 and plus 1, that is 13. So we write 1 at that position so that it becomes equal to 13, and just you put a 0 on the position. Okay, so like this we can convert the any decimal number into its equivalent 4-bit binary number. Okay, so this is, so last time also we have seen the conversion. Okay, we convert the 4-bit, convert the decimal number into its equivalent binary number, or vice versa. So last time we saw the conversion of binary to decimal. Any given binary number can be converted. Suppose given number is 1 0 1 1 0 1 like this. Okay, so this binary number is converted into its equivalent decimal form by using their weights. So you should know the binary weights. So here this is a unit place which is having weight 1. This one is weight having 2. This one is weight having 4. This is 8. This one is 16, and this is having 32 weight. So simple method is conversion of binary into its equivalent decimal number. Simple method is just you have to multiply each bit by their weights and just add for the conversion. So first multiply this by its weight. So 1 into 32 plus 0 into 16, then 1 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, then add after multiplying 32, then plus 0 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. Then it becomes 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 32. So it becomes 32 plus 13. Okay, so it becomes 45. So this is the conversion of binary number into its equivalent decimal number. So you have to write base 10. It indicates this number is decimal. So this is the simple way. So we have to convert binary into its equivalent decimal number. Okay, so you can solve too many examples by just with the any number. So like this one or 10001. So like any number, you can convert binary into its equivalent decimal form by using this method. Just what you have to do is just multiply each bit by their weights, then add, you will get equivalent number. Okay, fine. So this is binary to decimal conversion. Then we go for the reverse conversion. Means so now we are going to see the decimal to binary conversion. So this is decimal to binary conversion, and for this conversion we are going to use a one method that is called as double dabble method. Double dabble method. So this method is used to convert decimal into its equivalent binary number. So this method is separately for integer and fractional part. So for integer method we work differently, and from fraction number we work differently. So consider any integer number. So for integer number, we multiply this number, we divide this number successively by 2 for conversion of integer number into its equivalent binary number. So for given number, what you have to do? So you have to divide the given integer decimal number divide the given integer decimal number by 2 and collect the remainders. From last to first. What it means from last to first? Let us see. Okay. So for integer number, divide the given integer decimal number by 2 and collect the remainders from last to first. Okay, you have to divide that number successively. Okay, and collect the remainders from last to first. Let us see the example. Okay. So consider the number is say 23. Okay, for simple example we consider 23 number, which is decimal number. You have to convert into binary. This binary. How we are going to convert that? So you have to divide this given integer number by 2 successively and collect the remainders. Okay, let us see. So write down 23, divide it by 2. Okay, so you will get okay, and then remainder is is 1. Okay, when we divide 23 by 2, so this is 11 and you will get remainder. Again you have to divide 11 by 2. So you will get 5 with remainder 1. Then again divide 5 by 2, then it is 2 with remainder 1. Then again divide 2 by 2, then you will get 1 with remainder 0. Then again divide 1 by 2, so it is 0 with remainder 1. Okay, so successively you have to divide the given number by 2 and you will get up to 0. At last becomes 1. Then this one is a first, and this one is last. Okay, so this first remainder is known as LSB, least significant bit, and the last one is known as MSB, most significant bit. Then you have to collect from last to first. Then equivalent becomes, so these 23, okay, so which is in decimal, then equivalent becomes, so you have to collect from last to first. Your written is remainders, then collect the remainders from last to first. That means last write down first. So here last 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, and this is the equivalent in binary. Okay, so like that you have to solve, you have to convert from decimal to binary for fractional number, for integer number. So the double method, for integer number you have to divide by 2 and collect the remainders from last to first. So this is for the integer part. And what is about the fractional part? So this is integer part, you have to convert it like this, and for the fractional part, for fractional, or fractional number. Okay, so for fractional number you have to multiply given fractional number by 2 successively and collect the carries from first to last. Okay, let us consider the same number but fractional. So last time we have seen 23. Now consider the point 23. It is a fractional number, and so you have to convert it into its equivalent binary form. How you are going to convert? So multiply given fractional number by 2 and collect the carries. So you need to multiply to 2. Now how it becomes? 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4. So there is no carry. So it becomes 0.46 with a carry 0. Okay, there is no carry. So again multiply 0.46 into 2. Okay, it becomes 2 6 are 12, 1 8 9. So there is also no carry. Okay, 0.92 with carry 0. Then multiply again 0.92 by 2. So 2 to the 4, it is 18 dot. Now there is carry generated. So write down that carry on this side with a carry 1. Okay. Then again multiply 0.84 into 2, that is equal to 8. Then 2 8 is 16. And there is carry. So write down the carry here. Then again 0.68 into 2. Then you will get 2 8 is 16 with the carry 1. 2 6 is 12. That is 13 with a carry. So it continues. If you will get this 0, then it is well and good. Otherwise it continues. So in that case you have to continue this multiplication up to 4 or 5 digit. Get it? If you get this part 0, then it is well and good. Otherwise what happens? You don't get this part 0 and it continues, you get some number at this position. So after 4 to 5 bits you have to stop your multiplication, and whatever the carries you have to collect from first to last. Okay, so this one is first carry and this one is last. So this first carry is MSB, most significant bit, and this one is LSB, least significant bit. So this is MSB and this is LSB, least significant bit, and then you have to write 0.23. So this is in decimal form, and you have to write in the form of binary. In this case you have to write the binary point. So you can also write 0 here. Then write the carries from first to last. So 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, in this way. For integer part, it is in opposite way. Okay, from last to first. But for here, you have to write from first to last, and then it becomes this binary equivalent number 0.23, that is equal to 0.001111. So it continues, but you have to stop up to 4 or 5 bits. So this is the fractional conversion. For fractional part, you have to multiply given fractional number by 2 and collect the carries from first to last. For integer part, divide the given integer part by 2 successively and collect the remainders from last to first, opposite. Okay, so this for fractional part. So you get this is a method, double method for integer and for fractional. Okay, so you get that. So I will use some examples, you try for yourself. Okay, so you try these conversions. First, write any 24, okay, equivalent binary, then write something 33 point, okay, 21 binary, then write any third, and write here something 18.23 binary form 4. So you can take any examples by yourself also, give the, so consider different numbers, convert it, and again you can check or verify if they are correct or not. Okay, then write something 40 point, so 8 binary. Next conversions, so here binary form converted into decimal, then okay, so first 4 are converted from decimal to binary, and last 4 are binary to decimal. So you have to try these conversions. Okay, so today we saw the conversion from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. For decimal to binary we use double method. Okay, so let us stop here. So try the new examples yourself also, and then try.